Okay, dear students, now let us start from sixth question onwards. Why? Because in last class we have finished fifth problem. Okay, solution for fifth problem. Let us see sixth problem also. Okay, you see what is the sixth problem? Sixth question: Sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x divided by sin 7x cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x. This entire thing we have to show that this is sin tan 3x, tan 6x. Okay? Okay. See, before proceeding, you observe simply whether he has made parentheses for two identities. 7x plus 5x, one parenthesis, 9x plus 3x, one parenthesis. See, in our board examination, this parenthesis he may not give. But we have to see whether these are going to match, or shall we take 7x plus 3x, 5x plus 9x like that. Why? Because you see here tan 6x is there. Tan 6x means option is like sin 6x by cos 6x should come. Sin 6x by cos 6x. Okay. Sin 6x, how it is going to come? 9 plus 3, 12. 12 by 2, 6. Okay, this is okay. What about this? 7 plus 5, 12. 12 by 2, 6. 6. Okay. That means here sin 6x is going to come. Then we can take common of sin 6x. Finally, tan 6x may come. Because see, denominator also cos 6x has to come. Normally see, all are equal only, you see. Rather than cos sin, 7x, cos 5x, 9x, 3x only they have written. That means there is a possibility of sin x by cos x. Ultimately, there is a possibility of coming tan 6x. Like that we have to see. Why? Because see, trigonometry, immediately you cannot predict the answer. But towards the answer, we have to think and proceed. Okay? Okay. Now, let us do the calculation as. Okay, you see, LHS sin 7x plus sin 5x, sin C plus sin D, sin C plus sin D. But in your memory, what is the formula? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B formula is 2 sin A cos B. For C and D, 2 sin A plus B cos 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay? Right. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 7 plus 5, 12 by 2, 6x cos C minus D by 2. 7 minus 5, 2 by 2, 1x. Okay? Plus. This also you see, sin C plus sin D. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Same. 2 sin C plus D by 2. 9 plus 3, 12 by 2, 6x cos C minus D by 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 3x. Okay. This will be your numerator. Okay. Then come to denominator. Denominator formula is going to change. Why? Because both are cos. Cos C plus cos D. That means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B means in C by CD form 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That's all. 2 cos C plus D by 2. 7 plus 5. See, when both 7 5, 7 5, 9 3, 9 3 are there, same are going to come. You repeat simply. 2 cos 6x cos x plus 2 cos 6x cos 3x. That's all. Okay? Why? Because see, same are there. 9x 3x, 9x 3x, 7x 5x, 7x 5x. But here sin cos will come, here cos will come. This formula is going to repeat. Okay. Now, if you observe carefully, 2 sin x 6x, 2 sin 6x, you can take common in numerator. Numerator, you take 2 sin 6x common. Okay. If you take common cos x plus cos 3x divided by Here also 2 cos 6x common is there. You see 2 cos 6x, 2 cos 6x. 2 cos 6x cos x plus cos 3x. Okay. You see, now multiplication form has come. 2 sin 6x into cos x plus 3x. See, this entire thing is multiplying. But when multiplying, you can cross out. You see, cos x plus cos 3x, cos x plus cos 3x. See, both you can cross out. Okay. Then here also 2 and 2 can also cross. Sin 6x by cos 6x. You write again sin 6x by cos 6x is equal to tan 6x. Okay. Like this we can close this question. Okay. Now let us go for 7th question. Okay. Now see the question number 7. Sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x. Okay. 3 identities are there. We have to show that 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. See here peculiar angle has come. Cos x by 2 okay, but what about cos 3x by 2? Okay, how to come and all we have to proceed. Then we came to know. Why? Because 3x by 2 it is coming means 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Let us see. We will take this first. 2 plus 1 by 2, whether it comes or not. Okay, why? Because see 3x by 2 is there. Sin a plus c. Here sin is c minus sin d only, but formula memorization sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. A plus b minus a minus b means 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b means 2 cos a plus b by 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, cos 3 by 2. Sin a minus b by 2. 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. Sin x by 2 may come. Let us see what will come under. Okay. We will take and we will try. Trial and error only. Or else we will take again. If that doesn't yield answer, then we will take sin x plus sin 3x like that. Okay. Let us see. First you take sin 2x. You write sin 3x like that only. Okay. Plus sin a plus b minus a minus b. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3x by 2 sin 2 minus 1. 1 by 2, x by 2, sin x by 2. But here cos x by 2 is there. Okay, what we do? We take 3x plus x, okay? Rather than this. Sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x. Okay? Trial and error only. We will try this. Now I have changed sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x. Okay, now sin c minus sin d, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, 2 cos a sin b, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2. Okay, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, 2 cos a, 3 plus 4, 1, 4 by 2, 2x, 3 minus 1, that means sin 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, 1, sin x plus sin 2x. Okay. Okay. Now see here cos 2x is there, sin x is there, but no common is there. But if you observe here sin 2x is there, sin 2x you can write 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x is there, then here also 2 sin x will come. 2 sin x common we can take. Like that we have to proceed. Okay. You write down now. 2 cos 2x sin x plus 2 sin x cos x. Why? Because sin 2x formula we know. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Now you take 2 sin x common, 2 sin x, 2 sin x. Okay. 2 sin x I am taking common. If I take cos 2x, why by cos 2x? 2 sin x cos 2x plus cos x. Now again you convert this addition to multiplication. Cos 2x plus cos x. 2 sin x into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Both cos only will come. 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. 3x by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. 2x minus x. X by 2. You see, cos 3x by 2, cos x by 2. Okay. Like this we have to proceed. There is no other option. Okay. Now 2 into 2 is 4. First, which one you have to write? You write this one. Sin x means sin x only. Why? Because sin x is there. Then cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 is there. Then cos 3x by 2. Okay. Then you can write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. This is the answer for your 7th question. Let us go for 8th question. Tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3 and x is in second quadrant. Second quadrant means 90 to 180 degree. First quadrant is 0 to 90 degree, second quadrant 90 to 180, third quadrant 180 to 270, fourth quadrant 270 to 360. Okay. This is in second quadrant. Second quadrant means all silver tea cups. Sine only going to become positive. Cos and tan both are negative. That is why tan is negative. You see 4 minus 4 by 3. Okay, that is also over. Now he is asking finding sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. See, he is not asking simply x. He is asking x by 2. One x he has given tan x and x by 2, x by 2, x by 2 is asking. Okay, you see here x is what? X is angle. See, x is lying in second quadrant means x by 2 may not lie in second quadrant. Why? Because see, if you divide it by 2, x by 2 means you are dividing by 2, na? If any angle, if you divide by 2, automatically it is going to lies in another quadrant. Say x is 180 degree, x by 2 will be 90 degree. Okay. Say x is 140 degree, x by 2 is 70 degree. See, 140 degree means second quadrant, 70 degree means first quadrant. Like that you have to think. First quadrant means again rules are going to change. In first quadrant, all are positive. Like that you have to think. Let us see. Okay. Okay. Now first you decide. See, for sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, only one formula. Which is that formula? I am writing here, you see. Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, this is the formula. Cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Okay. Now what I am doing, rather than 2x here, I am putting x. Then this is going to become x by 2. This only will come cos x by 2. Okay. See, square is there. If you square root it, automatically depends on quadrant. You have to put whether plus or minus. Okay. Cos x by 2. This is for cos x by 2. What about sin x? Sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. See, sin x by 2 will come, cos x by 2 will come. Only with cos x, cos x. If you know cos x, then sin x by 2, cos x by 2 both will come. Okay. Tan x by 2, sin x by 2 by divided by cos x by 2. That's all. Sin by cos going to give tan x by 2. Okay. Then what you require? You require only cos x. Cos x, if you know, all three you can find. Okay. All three you can find. What you want to know first? First you have to know cos x. That is very important. Why? With cos x we wants to know. Okay. You see, in second quadrant it is there tan x. Okay, tan x in second quadrant. Second quadrant means how you have to write this? Is it okay? Second quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant. X is in second quadrant. We are talking about x first. We will find cos x. Okay, tan x means what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side 4, adjacent side 3. Okay? Opposite side 4, adjacent side 3. But minus is there. Which one is going to become minus? In second quadrant, tan is minus, okay. Cos is also minus, but sin is positive. You see, all silver tea cups. Cos here positive, tan here positive, all positive, sin is positive. Sin is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 4, hypotenuse always positive, that is why 4 is positive. Now this negative is going to become minus 3 here. Okay. Okay. Now what about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse you find. Hypotenuse is equal to 4 square plus minus 3 square under root. Okay. What will be 16 plus 9 under root? That is equal to 5. That's all. This is 5. Hypotenuse always positive. You don't take plus or minus 5. You take 5 only. Hypotenuse. Okay. Now you write cos x. Easily you can write cos x now. Cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Minus 3 by 5. Why minus 3? Because in second quadrant, see, x we are talking about. We have not yet gone for x by 2. In second quadrant, cos x is minus. Tan x is minus. Only sin x is positive. 4 by 5. Minus 3 by 5, 4 by 5, minus 4 by 3. Even though 4 by minus 3, finally it is going to become minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now you received x, cos x, cos x, cos x. All you can calculate. Sin x you can calculate, cos x by 2 you can calculate, sin x by 2 you can calculate, tan x by 2 also you can calculate. But what will be the symbol? That is also important. You see now what I am writing, simply observe. He is telling that x is in second quadrant. You see how I am writing? X is in second quadrant. Means I am writing like this. You see pi by 2 to pi. Is it correct? X is in second quadrant. Second quadrant means 90 degree to 180 degree. 90 degree to 180 degree. In between x will be there. X is in second quadrant. Okay. Now I want sin x by 2. X by 2. X by 2 is in... See, when you divide x, then you have to divide pi by 2 also. Pi by 2, if you divide pi by 4, it will come. Pi is going to become pi by 2. That means x by 2 range is pi by 4 to pi by 2. X range is pi by 2 to pi. Okay? Pi by 2 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 means 45 degrees to 90 degree. 45 to 90 degree means here first quadrant will come. You write first quadrant. X by 2 in first quadrant. X by 2 in first quadrant. Okay? In first quadrant, what are positive? All are positive. Right. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, all are positive. This is very important. Okay? Now you write one by one. Okay? Now you go for one by one. Okay, first you take cos square x by 2. Why? Because you know x. Cos square x by 2 you find. Cos square x by 2. See, cos x by 2, sin x by 2, tan x by 2, all you have to write positive only. Why? Because x by 2 is in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Cos square x by 2 is equal to, write this one, 1 plus cos x by 2. That is equal to 1 plus cos x is minus 3 by 2. Rather than plus, shall I write minus directly? Why? Because minus 3 by 5. Okay, divided by 2. That is equal to You see 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 5. Is it okay? Now this is cos square x by 2. What about cos x by 2? You write down. Cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 5, comma, cos x by 2 is equal to 1 by root 5. First you write 1 by root 5, then you put positive symbol also. Why this positive? Because all are positive. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 are positive. That is why positive. See, square is 1 by 5. Root is plus or minus 1 by root 5 has to come. But minus we don't take. Why? Because all are positive. We declared already. Okay. Now let us go for sin x by 2 also. Okay. Write down sin x by 2. Sin square x by 2. Sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. Okay. These values we will write here. Sin square x by 2, that is equal to 1 minus minus 3 by 5. Shall I write 3 plus 3 by 5 directly? By 2. Okay. 1 minus of minus 3 by 5 means 1 plus 3 by 5. 5 plus 3, 8 by 5 by 2, that is equal to 8 by 10, that is equal to 2 4s, 2 5s, 4 by 5. Okay. Now I am going to remove this formula. Why? Because we have already written here. 2 times we have written that formula. Okay, now 4 by 5 is sin square x by 2. Write down sin square x by 2 is equal to 4 by 5, comma, sin x by 2 you want. Why? Because sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Sin x by 2 you have already received, cos x by 2. You want sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 is equal to, see, 4 root 2 is 2. By 5 root you don't have, you write 5 only. But what about the symbol? Yeah, symbol also you put plus. Why you are putting plus? Because all are positive in first quadrant. X by 2 is positive. Even sin second quadrant, first quadrant, both are positive. Okay. But x by 2 is in first quadrant. Okay, you received sin x by 2 also, cos x by 2 also. Now easily you can find tan x by 2. You write tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. That is equal to, what is sin x by 2? 2 by root 5 by 1 by root 5. Okay, that is equal to root 5 going to get cancelled, 2. 2 is what? Tan x by 2 only directly. Here you need not put again root. Why? Because see, sin x by 2, cos x by 2 have taken. That means tan x by 2 is equal to 2 is your final answer. In this way you have to do this type of questions. Why? Because see, carefully you observe here. X is in second quadrant means x by 2 may not be in second quadrant always. It will be in first quadrant. One quadrant it is going to reduce. Okay. Now note down and we will go for 9th question. Okay, see the 9th question. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now they have given directly cos x. Then we need not find anything. With cos x only we can make a formula for sin x by 2, cos x by 2. Then we can convert it into tan x by 2 also. Okay. But you see, x is in third quadrant. Third quadrant means 180 degrees to 270 degrees. Okay. Then x by 2 you have to change. X by 2 may be in second quadrant. Normally second quadrant. Okay. Find x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, sin x by 2, cot x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 is asking. Okay. Like earlier problem only. But in earlier problem tan x was given. We need to find sin x, cos x there. Here directly cos x he has given. We need not find anything. Just you simply see whether x by 2 where it is coming. Okay. Now how I am writing, you see, observe carefully. X is plus or minus pi to 3 pi by 2. Is it correct? Why? Because x is in third quadrant means x is 180 degrees to 270 degrees are there. Okay. Now we want x by 2 also. Okay, you write down x by 2. Okay. X you divided 2 means pi also you have to divide pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 if you divide automatically, sorry, 3 pi if you divide 4 will come. Okay, 3 pi by 4. Now you simply observe 90 to 135. 90 to 135 means second quadrant, right? The same thing. Second quadrant. X by 2 in second quadrant. Okay. In second quadrant, which are positive? Sin x by 2 only positive. Cos x by 2, tan x by 2 negative. Write that one first. Okay, that is a very essential. X by 2. In second quadrant, sin x by 2 positive, comma, cos x by 2 negative, comma, tan x by 2 negative. Why? Because what are final answers we are already writing. Sin x by 2 positive, cos x by 2 negative, tan x by 2 negative. Why? Because in second quadrant, except sin, all are negative. Except sin and cosecant. Here cosecant is not asking. He is asking sin, cos, tan only. Okay? Okay. Now we know formula very well. Why? When cos x directly has given, we need not see any other thing. Directly proceed for sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Like first sin x by 2 is asking, and sin x by 2 only you write. Sin x by 2 formula is what? Is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. This will be the formula. Okay? Then 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 by 3 by 2. Is it okay? Why? By cos x is minus 1 by 3. Minus is there. Minus plus I have written. Okay? Okay. That is equal to, see, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 divided by 2. That is equal to 4 by 6. That is equal to 2 2s, 2 3s. 2 by 3 will come here. Okay. 2 by 3 is what? Sorry, this is sin square x by 2. Sin square x by 2. 2 by 3 is sin square x by 2. What about sin x by 2? Again you write it. Sin square x by 2 is equal to 2 by 3, comma, sin x by 2 is equal to root 2 by root 3. Okay? Root 2 by root 3. Afterwards, what you have to write? You have to write plus. Why? Sin x by 2 positive you have already written. Sin x by 2 positive. Okay? That's all. Go for cos x by 2 again. Cos square x by 2. First you write cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x by 2. Okay, now 1 plus is there. 1 plus means minus will be like that only. 1 minus 1 by 3 by 2. Okay? Okay. Now this is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3 is what? 1 by 3 is cos square x by 2. You write down again. Cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Cos x by 2, 1 by root 3. But you put negative symbol, minus 1 by root 3. Why? Because see, cos x by 2 negative. Why? Because see, from square to square root, if you put root only, it will come, na? Cos square x by 2 1 by 3, cos x by 2 1 by root 3, but minus you have to take, plus or minus will come. Minus you have to take. Why minus? Because in second quadrant, cos is negative. Okay. Now you receive, see, sin x by 2 you know, cos x by 2 you know, tan x by 2 easily you can find. Write down. Tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. That is equal to sin x by 2, how much? Root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 3 by 1, minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. Okay? That means tan x negative will come. Tan x by 2 negative. Then you write, see, root 3 going to get cancelled. Root 2 by 1 means root 2 only, but negative is there, minus root 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to minus root 2. This will be your final answer. Okay. Let us go for 10th question. Question number 10. Sin x is equal to 1 by 4 and x is in second quadrant. Okay, x is in second quadrant means second quadrant 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay, 90 to 180 degree. X may be between 90 to 180 degree. Then what will be x by 2? X by 2 normally it will come in first quadrant, all over going to become positive. Possibility is there, let us see. And see, sin x has given. Sin x has given means again you have to find cos x. Why? Because see, if you want to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, with cos x only you can find cos 2x or cos x. Cos x is there, x by sin x by 2 you can find. Cos 2x is there means sin x cos x you can find. Tan x also ultimately you can find. Okay. Now first, rather than going for x by 2, first you find cos x. Finding cos x is first important. Okay. Okay. Now in second quadrant he is writing. Second quadrant, how it will be? It will be like this. Okay. Here if you observe, sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Is it okay? Now you see 1 by 4. Sin is positive means, see, always 4 is positive hypotenuse. 1 is also positive in second quadrant. Why? Because sin. Okay. What about cos in second quadrant? Second quadrant cos is negative. That means here whatever may come, negative will come. Okay. What will be this adjacent side? 4 square minus 1 square under root. That's all. Okay. Now how I am writing, you see, simply. Adjacent side is equal to 4 square minus 1 square under root. That is equal to 16 minus 1. 15 under root. Root 15. See, root 15 okay, but root 15 is minus. Minus root 15. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now with this triangle, right angle triangle, you can find cos x also. You write down now cos x is equal to, you write cos x. Cos x is equal to, see, adjacent side by hypotenuse, minus root 15 by 4. Minus root 15 by 4. Why? Because root 15 you don't have any root. Root 15 only you have to write. 3 into 5, even if you write also 3, 5 doesn't have roots. That is why root 15 you can leave like that only. 4 square 16 minus 1 square 1. 16 minus 1 15. Root 15. Okay, root 15 is minus. Why? Because in second quadrant. Based on quadrant you have to take a positive or negative symbol. Now you come to this x by 2 x wala funda. Okay, now I am writing again. X is in second quadrant means I will write like this. X is in second quadrant. Second quadrant means pi by 2 to pi. Is it okay? X is in pi by 2 to pi. Okay, now x by 2. X by 2 in x by 2. If you divide it by x by 2, then you have to divide it by pi by 2 also. Then pi by 4. Pi by 2. Is it okay? That means 45 degree to 90 degree. 45 to 90 degree means first quadrant. You write here. X by 2 in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. Write down. Sin x by 2, positive. Cos x by 2, positive. Tan x by 2, positive. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2, you have to find. All are going to become positive because first quadrant. First quadrant. Okay? Okay, now you go one by one. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Okay? First sin x by 2 we will find. Sin x by 2. That means sin square x by 2. Sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. That is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. How much? Minus root 15 by 4. See, already minus is there. Shall I write plus directly? Root 15 by 4 divided by 2. Okay? Okay. Now 4 plus root 15, you write down. 4 plus root 15 divided by 8 directly I am writing. Why? Because divided by 4 and 2, why should we write again and again? Okay? This will be sin square x by 2. What about sin x by 2? Write down. 4 plus root 15 divided by, this will be under root, this will be under root 8. Is it okay? First time you might be seeing square root under square root again. This 15 root under root. Okay? It will come like this only. You don't have any other option. Okay, now you tell me, is it positive or negative? Positive only. Positive, positive, positive. That is why this positive, you have to put symbol positive. Okay? Positive 4 plus root 15. Square root of 4 plus root 15 by root 8. This will be your sin x by 2. Then what is cos x, cos square x by 2? 1 plus cos x by 2. Here 1 minus cos x, here 1 plus cos x. Okay. Now you see 1, okay, 1 plus cos x. You see cos x is minus. Plus means automatically minus will come. Root 15 by, shall I write directly 8? No. By 2 by 2. No. Root 4, sorry. Okay. Now some calculation is there. Afterwards only you can write directly. 4 minus root 15. You write down 4 minus root 15 by 4. Now you can write 8. 4 minus root 15 by 4 by 2. That means by 8. Okay. Now I can convert it into cos x by 2. Cos x by 2. Why I have not written 4? 4 without written. No. Here 1 only. Here 4. 4 minus root 15 by 4 by 2. 4 minus root 15 by 8 will come. Okay. Now see, this is cos square x by 2. What about cos x by 2? If you put root, automatically it will going to become root. 4 minus root 15 under root divided by root 8. What about this one? Is it positive or negative? Positive only. But because cos x by 2 was also positive. Okay, that means 4 minus root 15 by root 8. Square root of 4 plus root 15 by root 8. Both, if you divide automatically, tan x by 2 will come. You write that tan x by 2 also. Tan x by 2 is equal to, you write this one. 4 plus root 15 root by 4 minus root 15. Why? Because here root 8 is there. Going to get cancelled. I need not write again. Okay? 4 minus root 15 but root. Okay. Now you wait. You see, now we can do rationalization. Why? Because 4 minus root 15 is there. With 4 plus root 15, if you make rationalization, automatically some result is going to come. Okay? You see now what I am doing. Square root of 4 plus root 15 by 4 minus root 15 is there. Okay? Now into denominator symbol you have to change. Denominator 4 plus root 15. Same, with the same identity you have to divide, multiply with numerator also. Okay? Now if you observe carefully, what is going to happen? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square means 16. B square means 15. 16 minus 15, 1. Then you need not write 1, but even then you write 1. Okay. Now you see, you write, nothing is, anyway space is there. 16 minus 15 you write. Okay. Under root. And you see 4 plus 15. square. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Now what I am doing, you see, 4 plus root 50 square and root going to get cancelled for numerator. Numerator is going to become 4 plus root 15. Divided by 1, you need not write. Okay. This will be your tan x by 2 final answer. Okay. Okay. Now we have finished this exercise, miscellaneous exercise 3.5 exercise in trigonometric functions. Okay. In the next class we go for class 12 inverse trigonometric functions. After inverse trigonometric function we will see again for class 11 NCERT only. We will go back and we will do some other. In class 12 continuously calculus will be there. 6 chapters or 5 chapters are there. Linked chapter is in class 11 limits and continuity. Okay, then we will see how to tackle those subject and all. In between matrices determinants are there, those also have to complete. Parallelly we will go for class 11 and class 12. Okay, now let us wait for inverse trigonometric function in the next class. Thank you very much.